Isang malaking kahihiyan ang pamumuno ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. dahil iniwanan na siya ng mga senador kasunod ni Miguel Zubiri. Ito'y isang insulto sa pamunuan. At ito'y isang sampal for the first time in history na iniwanan ng mga senador si Bangag dahil sa pangingialam nito at pang-iinsulto sa kanilang mga kakayahan dahil sa kanilang mga sariling interes, lalong-lalo na ang Pangulo na sangkot sa droga. Ito'y isang malaking kahihiyan sa kanyang administrasyon.
Sa bandang huli, isa lang po ang ating pinipili, ang ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Being part of the leadership, Madam President, carries a cost, requiring leaders to be ready to consistently make sacrifices, prioritizing the interests of their organization, institution, or even their country above their own self-interest. And so today, Madam President, I tender my resignation because the greater cost outweighs my personal interest. Maraming salamat po, Madam President.
I would just like to manifest that I'm also resigning as chairperson of the Committee on Accounts and Tourism and Ethics. Thank you, Madam President.
We take note of the manifestation of Senator Nancy Binay. We thank you for your dedication to duty as well.
At the same time, I'd like to also tender my resignation as the chairperson of the Committee on Finance, the chairperson of the Committee on Youth, and the chairperson of the Subcommittee on Constitutional Amendments in order to give the new leadership a free hand to choose who they wish to fill up these positions. And I thank our colleagues for the chance to serve them for the last 5 years as the chairperson of the Committee on Finance. I think we achieved real progress together, and I think if at all I was able to empower you to fulfill or to realize your advocacies.
I would like to resign, of course, to give the new leadership a free hand in reorganizing the Senate leadership. But again, I would like to say that I will always be proud to be part of this institution and proud to have been part of the leadership under Senate President Mix, who really was a very productive team. And thank you very much also to the Senate staff for your cooperation and that at the times that we were on the floor.
Pagkatapos mag-resign ni Zubiri ay nagkaiyakan ang buong tropa at sumunod na rin na nag-resign sa kanilang mga komite. Now, kung may kudita na nangyari sa Senado, dapat may kudita rin sa kalye patungong Malacanang.